Hey everybody, Chris here. So as we slide into the United States holiday of Thanksgiving this week, could we see a 20% pump in the price of Dogecoin? We're going to explore that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell so you can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. So you won't know if you're not subscribed, so please do subscribe. Also leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about Dogecoin's current price and where we may be going in the short term. So, well, right now, the whole crypto market is kind of recovering a little bit from the fallout of FTX's bankruptcy. How Sam Bankman-Fried is still walking around free, I don't know. That man must be in custody by now. He should be. I mean, it is pretty much proven that he stole funds out of the FTX exchange, as well as the games that were being played between FTX and Alameda Research, which essentially he ran as well. All of that will eventually come out, but there's a whole lot of political ties and all these other things. Pretty crazy situation. And then we also have the continuing outfall of Genesis trading, Mr. Barry Silbert's thing. Now, don't feel bad for Barry, but I do feel bad for those that had funds in Genesis trading. Hopefully that works out for the best for the users, not Barry. As well as BlockFi, we haven't heard really if BlockFi is going to go bankrupt or not. There's been some rumblings about it. Again, feel bad for the users, but for those that were running it, taking users' money and then using it to try and make more money off it, very risky proposition, which always leads to, if you're investing in cryptocurrency, you're taking a risk already. And best advice is buy your coins and then get them onto a ledger, get them onto a hardware wallet and off the exchanges. This is a Black Friday special that's going on with Ledger right now. You get $20 off the Ledger Nano S and $30 off the Ledger Nano X. That $20 or $30 comes in a Bitcoin gift card that you'll receive when you get your Ledger, and then you just redeem it and they will transfer Bitcoin into your Ledger account. So I have my Ledger Nano S on the way. I'll be doing an unboxing video when I get it, and I'll show you what that looks like. But for now, use my link in the description below for Ledger. Check it out yourself and see about that. So that's the recommendation here. Again, not a financial advisor, but risky enough just investing in cryptocurrency. Why do you have to go and do these earn programs and try and get additional interest? And not recommended. So let's go ahead, let's take a look at the charts and the news, and we'll talk about this possible Dogecoin pump and what I see might be coming. We'll start here with the Dogecoin chart, just over 8 cents now. We did come up a little, about 8.3 cents last night, and holding on to 8 cents right now is good compared to where we were, down at 7.2 cents the day before yesterday. So that was pretty low there. For those that bought dips, that's the dip we're talking about. Again, I'm dollar cost averaging, and we'll see how Dogecoin trades going forward, but that's always good to buy the dip. So here we are at 8 cents. So we do have a 2% gain over the last 12 hours, upwards of 5 to 10% from 2 days ago. So you look at that gain, and that's partway there. So let me zoom out, and we see this purple line here. And that purple line on the 4-hour chart is, or was, the support line when Doge was trading at 8.5 cents. Broke down through that when there was more fallout from FTX. However, after the dip and coming back up, that purple line then became resistance, and we traded up to that resistance line and back. So that's where Doge is right now trading. However, we still have 9.5 cents up here as the higher resistance line. That's where I see Doge trading, is coming up over 9 cents. And if it can get up to 9.5 cents, that's that 20% pump. That would be great for Doge. And we see that it's pretty easy to do that. Again, it would probably take a little more volume of trading like we saw here back on the 11th and 12th of November. And all it takes is one little catalyst there, and we would have that 20% pump. So that's what I'm looking at for Dogecoin. Let's take a look at the news. Is Doge a bargain or a trap? Are we seeing the makings of a little bull trap here to get people to buy crypto at a higher price, and then the price is going to be driven back down? Sometimes that happens. The Dogecoin price has crawled back in the past few days as the market reflects on the collapse of FTX and Alameda Research. Doge has also been under pressure following Elon Musk's acquisition of Twitter. It was trading at 8, slightly above the week's low, down at 7.2. That's what we saw. So what is going to happen with Elon Musk and Twitter? So with that buyout, he's been hinting about a Dogecoin on the Twitter platform, and I don't think we're going to be seeing any direct announcement about that soon, but another Elon hint, that's what it could take. So Dogecoin price prediction, Doge looks a little shaky above 8 cents, this author is saying. Trading above 8 cents with a bullish bias, mild recovery is witnessed in the wider crypto market. So with Doge up 11.75% over the past 24 hours, risen to 8th position with a market cap of 10.86 billion. It did hop over Cardano, and then Cardano took it back. So there's a little race going on between Cardano and Doge there, but the bulls need to hold above 8 cents. So Doge could have a significant climb if recovery is sustained and or held above 8 cents. Again, looking at the, if I go back to the 30-minute here, we're looking at this 200 EMA line here. If we can stay above that 200 EMA, this white line here, and trade back up, I think that would be good, very bullish for Dogecoin. Why Doge could surge above this hurdle? This is on CoinChapter. So 7.2 cents is now support, trading inside a contracting triangle, resistance at 8.5 cents on the daily. Could be a strong rally if there's a clear move above 8.5 and then to 9 cents. And that's what I was just showing on the charts there. So in the past few days, Doge saw a major decline from well above 15 cents, came back down below. That was the FTX crash that we saw there. Doge then settled back up around 8.5 and then dropped down to 7.2. So are we going to see that rise back up and get the bulls to pump above? We got above the 8 cent resistance, now 8.2 level. Could we see up above 8.5 and then near the 9 cent zone? So that a lot of people are looking at these charts and looking at what this price action could mean. And that's what we're looking at there. A clear move above 9 cent resistance might open the doors for more gains. They're showing the next major resistance at 10 cents, but I was showing 9.5. That 9.5 is very clear on the charts for me, but they're calling it 10, and any more gains might send the price towards 11.5 cents. So what do we think there? Well, we could have a move back down. Again, some negative news about other bankruptcies happening could negatively affect Dogecoin. We could see back down to the 7.5 level with support back at 7.2 cents. If Doge then came back down below 7.2, then we might be back in the sixes again. So that's the converse look at how Doge could drop. But right now, to me, things are looking bullish, and we could be seeing good gains if Doge can hold above 8 cents and continue to move upwards from there. So typically over this Thanksgiving holiday in the United States, we see pretty low volume trading, probably not going to be some big spikes in volume. That means most likely we're going to be a little flat. But again, as we're coming out of this big sharp decline from FTX, we could see positive gains. And those positive gains could come right through the weekend. And with that, more people accumulating, buying crypto, we can see the price come up. That's what I see coming forward. So let's see if that really plays out like that. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you are bullish about Dogecoin like I am. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.